Start.
Hello everyone. This is Mrs. Joshi, science teacher from Creative English School. Today we are going to learn first lesson, living world and classification of microbes. In this lesson we have to study biodiversity and need of classification. There are 87 millions of living organisms are found on the earth. To study these organisms, we have to classify these organisms into groups and subgroups. This process of classification of living organism into groups and subgroups are called biological classification. There are various scientists who study on the classification of living organism. In 1969, he divided living organism in 5 parts. This is criteria for classification. First is complexity of cell structure. On the basis of cell structure, he divided cells into 2 parts, eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Eukaryotes means the nucleus is enclosed in membrane, and prokaryotes means cells that do not have membrane. Second point is complexity of organisms. Complexity of organisms. In this, he divided cells into 2 parts, unicellular and multicellular. Third is mode of nutrition. He divided living organism into 3 parts on the basis of their part is mode of nutrition. In this, he divided living organism in 3 parts: autotrophic, heterotrophic, and saprophytic. Autotrophic means they prepare their own food. Heterotrophic means they depend on their food on other organisms. And saprophytic means they live on dead animals. Fourth point is lifestyle. In this point, he divided living organism in 3 parts. First is producers, second is consumers, and third is decomposer. Producers means they produce their own food. Example, all plants. Consumers, all animals, because they depend on other things, living organism for their food. Fungi, decomposers, they decomposes dead animal. And last point is phylogenetic relationship. Phylogenetic relationship means eukaryotic to prokaryotic, unicellular to multicellular. This is a chart of Whittaker. He divided living organisms. From this you can understand living organisms are divided into 2 types. First, prokaryotes, second, eukaryotes. Prokaryotes divided into unicellular kingdom 1, Monera. Eukaryotes divided into 2 parts, unicellular, multicellular. Unicellular kingdom, Protista. Multicellular is divided into 3 kingdoms. First is fungi, second is plantae, and third is animalia. From this you can understand the biodiversity and need of classification and how Whittaker is classified living organism. Okay, thanks. Have a nice day.